What up, guys? So it's currently Thursday, October 27th. After hours currently, my value is at $21,785. I'm down $982, and earned dividends is at $249. So yeah, lately this past few weeks I've just been kind of selling some weaker companies that I've had, selling off on them on the short-term bounces. And then I am buying for tomorrow on Friday. I will be buying Google and Amazon. I'll be buying Amazon around $86, and then Google around $90. Just kind of starting a slow position on Google. And then yeah, Amazon I did have some already. Just adding a bit small because it could keep dropping. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as buys. Just kind of just been selling off on some that I didn't see being strong companies. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as an update. Just gonna show you guys a little glimpse of what I'm holding. Right here, got some Wingstop, Starbucks, Nike, T-Row, Ally, Disney, Microsoft. But yeah, just still adding 350 every week, around there. My buying power is 1,500, close to 1,600. So yeah, just being patient, dollar cost averaging still like every week, and yeah, just buying the dips.